Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself. You know the style go, right? So in recent shooting with the 6 men that died, like we are go give an update on what take place, is it? Yeah. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend did dance. What go on peeps, so back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you don't miss out. Among the 6 men that was shot and killed in Clarendon, Effortville operation by JDF enforcers, one was identified to be 24-year-old Ishmael Green that ran away from home in Mineral Heights, Clarendon at the age of 18 and was said to be around bad company, guys. For 3 years, he detached himself from his family until his mother reunited with him and tried to set him on a better path. But Green was one of the 6 men, that shot and killed in the police military operation carried out in Buzzrock, Effortville last Saturday. Yeah, and that was like today when. Okay, so basically that like almost 4th day ago, is it? So the relative informed that 2018, Green's family arranged for him to work in the Bahamas, trying to keep him from bad influences and hopefully shape him into a better man. Yes, he pray, guys, but he returned back to Jamaica secretly and distanced himself from the people them again. So the next time Green family see him, he go mounting upon some photo showing his body in the aftermath of Saturday shooting. Upset and shocked, of course. So the family is so upset and shocked at the same time because they don't know, nobody now go want to look and see them family spread out certain way. You get me? Real life shit. You see me? So for me to see, for them to see them relative die with wanted man, them are gonna be shocked. So them can't really say he's innocent or guilty because he was with those kind of people, and you must know the friends you hanging with. Hey. The relative said Green left home because of peer pressure and the fact that his mother was strict. Yes, they pray. And in the better your mother did strict, then you're out there loose and you just give away your life like that. You don't live no life yet, dog. Because you're barely older than me, boy. Look at it, you see me? So the mother tried her very best with him because the family was not rich, but they sent him to school and tried to give him a better life. Him graduate from Fogar Road High and him go, look, you don't know, youths always got art and them something. So him do a look of security course, it look like. So it's not like him have any reason for go there out of the way she said. You see, despite his stubbornness, the relatives said the family is still saddened by his passing. I feel it too, man, no jokes. He was very quiet and helpful as a person and always into his music. So them say so. She said tearfully, with tears at her eyes, he is someone who always said he wanted to take his family out of the struggles and say him gonna make them have a better life. When you sit and reason with him, I just pure positive reason. I just don't know what happened. So for all who tune in to the vlog, I hope you understand the moral of the story, cause me alright. Watch your people. Relax and watch ya.